Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How are you doing today? If you're doing well, you can show me with the thumbs up. If you're feeling okay, you can put your thumb in the middle. And if you're not feeling very well today, you can show me with a thumbs down. But hopefully after circle time is over, you'll be feeling better. So let's get started with our good morning song. Stretch your arms out like airplane wings. We'll fly to one side, over to the other side, fly back to the middle. Big stretch out in front. Now take that circle up over your head. We'll stretch on this side, over to the other side. One more stretch, and now let's sing together. Good morning, dear Earth. Good morning, dear Sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Good morning, friends. Welcome to Circle Time. I hope that you're having a great day so far. Before we move on to the calendar and weather chart, let's do 3 things quickly. Number 1, turn on our listening ears. Next, we have to put on our thinking hats. Today my thinking hat has some snaps underneath my chin, so I'm going to snap those up. And the last thing that we need to do is warm up our hearts, like this. Boom, 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 boom. Now let me grab my pointing stick and we can go over the date together. Right up here at the top of the chart, we have the month. Do you remember what month it is? October. Today is October 14th. So let's move the chip over from yesterday. Yesterday was October 13th, and today is October 14th, and up here we have the year. You can say that the year is 2021, but you can also say that the year is 2021. Both of those ways are correct. It's time to take out your counting fingers like this, and we can warm them up to give them a little stretch. We'll use our counting fingers to see how many days we've had so far in the month of October. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've had 14 days so far in the month of October. And now it's time to sing the Days of the Week song. So we'll hold up 7 fingers like this, and if you know the words to this song, you can sing along with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Down at the bottom of the chart, we have the days of the week to go over. So listen for the sound that the day starts with, and you can tell me what the day is. This says that yesterday was Wednesday. So that means that today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday, the last day of the weekday. Let's go back and sing today's Thursday together. It goes like this. Today's Thursday, today's Thursday, today's Thursday, all day long. Today's Thursday, today's Thursday, today's Thursday, all day long. Up, up, up at the top of the chart, we have the season. The season is fall, but you can also say autumn. And if we go back down, I have a picture of the weather. So let's sing the weather song together, and then we can talk about what we see outside of the window. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Friends, look at my picture right down here. I don't think that I've changed it this entire week. That means that the weather has stayed the same. And when I look out my window, sure enough, it's another mostly sunny day outside with a few puffy white cumulus clouds in the sky. And my temperature chart is still on orange because it's warm. Warm and mostly sunny today. What do you see outside of your window today, friends? Thanks for sharing the weather with me. Now let's move on to the letter, the number, and the sign of the week. This week, we've been talking about this capital letter. This letter makes two sounds. Can you make the short sound for me? Let's do that together. Eh. And the second sound is a long sound that sounds like this. E. This is an uppercase or capital E. E says eh and E. It's time to move on to the letter box, but what I have today is not inside of the letter box. You'll see why in just a few minutes. I have something today that starts with the letter E, and it makes the long sound, E. Here's your first clue. This is a type of jewelry. This jewelry usually comes in a pair or a set, so that means two. And this is something that you wear on your ear. What could it be? Earrings or an earring. So because I have two ears, that means that I have two earrings or a pair or a set of earrings. One earring for each ear. Earring starts with the letter E. This is how you write in uppercase, eh, E. One more time. And here is the number of the week. Do you remember what double-digit number this is? 20. When you write the number 20, you write two numbers. First, you write the number 2, and then you write the number 0. 20. Let's count to the number 20 together using the large bead frame. This is how you count to the number 20 using the large bead frame. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to trade these 10 units for 1 10. 2 10s, 20. There's one more thing to count today inside of the number box. I have a bunch of colorful fall leaves. Now, as I count them, I'm going to make two piles. One pile of 10 right here, and another pile of 10 right here to make 20 leaves all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there, so let's start the next pile with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and one more leaf makes 20. 20 leaves. We've gone over the letter of the week and the number of the week, so let's move on to the sign of the week. On Monday, I showed you how to say earth, in sign language. Let's do that together. Earth. Climate, land, and bodies of water are different depending on where you are in the world, and will therefore attract specific animals. For example, in the southern hemisphere, or the lower part of the earth, some of the land is drier because it's so hot. Animals that enjoy these hot and dry habitats, like deserts, include snakes, foxes, camels, and scorpions. But if you live in another part of the world, like at the very top or the very bottom, also called the North and South Pole, it looks and feels very different. Because of the cold temperatures, these harsh parts of the world are usually covered in ice and snow and are home to penguins, seals, polar bears, and walruses. For today's work, we are going to take a closer look at where specific animals live around the world. For today's work, you will need a globe or a map of the world and some pictures or figurines of animals from around the world. Today, we are going to match these animals to their habitats, where you would find them living in the world. So let's start off with an elephant. An elephant is found both in Africa and in Asia. So right over here, we have the continent of Africa. And right up here is the continent of Asia. This is where elephants are found. The next animal that we have is a zebra. Zebras are also found in Africa, right over here. Next, we have a lion. Lions are also found in Africa. They are also found in India, which is right over here. The next animal today is a hippopotamus. A hippopotamus is found in Africa, right down here. Next, we have an alligator. Alligators are found in the United States as well as China. China is located in Asia, which is right over here, and the United States of America is located in North America, right over here. And the last animal for today is a rhinoceros. A rhino is located in Asia as well as Africa. Here's Asia, and right down here is Africa. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Thanks for learning with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give my video a big thumbs up and find me on OutSchool for my live and interactive classes. You can also support my channel by checking out my Patreon page and gain access to bonus features for your child. At this time, I am now offering one-on-one tutoring sessions as well as curriculum consultations, so please feel free to reach out for more information. Before we go, we have one final song to sing, so let's wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.